Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Today, we're actually doing something. We're going to take the first step into turning this room into a studio, and that is cleaning it all out because there is a lot of garbage in here. So let's start. Okay, this is what we've got so far. We've got the tabletop as well. I'm gonna be thinking about the lights, but I don't have a car. What am I gonna do? How am I gonna get rid of it? Hoi, ben je vrij?
Ja.
Zou je me ergens mee willen helpen?
Ja, tuurlijk.
Hoe laat kan je hier zijn?
Half uurtje?
Ja, is goed. As we're waiting for Mark to arrive, I think it's time to do a little story time because turning that room into a studio is a pretty big deal to me. Like, when I just started YouTube, I never even thought that I would be where I am today, let alone turning an entire room in my apartment into a YouTube studio. And I'm investing in all this stuff now and I'm buying a bunch of things. And that actually got me thinking and reflecting on what I did when I just started YouTube and what I spent my money on when I just started YouTube. Because most of the gear in that room I didn't have. Gear wasn't even on my mind. I just wanted to make videos. I just wanted to make videos, put them online, have people watch the videos hopefully, and then hopefully connect with them so we could talk about filmmaking. And obviously I was watching a lot of YouTube, so I was looking at what other YouTubers were doing, and they were all using these really cool songs in their videos. Now, a mistake that I've made in the past is I actually uploaded a video for a friend and I used a copyrighted song and I got a copyright claim. So I learned from that mistake. So I already knew that I couldn't use any copyrighted songs. So I was looking for free copyright-free music, and that took me forever. So at this point I was getting frustrated because it took me forever to find a free song that sounded good and fit my video. And I was just like, it should not be this impossible. So, you know, I turned to the YouTubers that I watch and was like, you're using all this cool music. Like, where do you get your music from? Because this feels impossible. I found out that most of them were using this service called Epidemic Sound. Now, there was a 30-day free trial and I could cancel at any time. I signed up and I absolutely loved it. Like, I didn't spend hours finding a song anymore. Instead, I just found one within minutes, especially for my tutorials. Usually I just go for this hip-hop vibe. So I just clicked on genre, hip-hop, and then I would choose something like laid back or happy, whatever fit the vibe of my video. And then besides that, they also have like 60,000 sound effects, so I never had to look for a copyright-free sound effect either. So after those 30 days were over, you know, it was a no-brainer for me to just stick with them and just go and pay those $15 for this personal plan. I still use it to this day, like literally for every video I use Epidemic Sound. Every song you hear is from Epidemic Sound. Every sound effect is Epidemic Sound. And that intro that you watched, Epidemic Sound. I was hooked. Like, honestly, hands down, this is a genuine story. Hands down, this was the best investment that I made when I just started my YouTube channel. Now, if you would also like to get a 30-day free trial, there's a link in my description, so go check it out. There's literally no reason not to do it. Thank you for sponsoring this video. That's Mark. Okay. Oh my gosh. I think I'm stuck. Oh, this was a mistake. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Hij blijft hangen. Nou ja. hallways are always so creepy. Like, I'm not surprised if there is a body somewhere in here. That's mine. That's mine. And this is mine. Thanks, Mark. Oh no. It's stuck. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Let me turn this light on. All right. I am home and I feel inspired. That was very dramatic. Let's not get that dramatic. But honestly, I do feel inspired because my room has been feeling like garbage. Like, there was so much stuff that I needed to get rid of. I've been wanting to turn this room into a studio so I could stop calling it a room and start calling it a studio. But in order for me to, you know, decorate it, buy some new things, I first had to get rid of those things. And I didn't do that for the longest time. I kept putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. And it was just very, very uninspiring. So I'm so happy that I did it. And I know it was a little bit of a weird vlog, but if there's anything that you can take away from this vlog, I really hope that it's that if there is anything that you want to accomplish, whether that is also turning an old bedroom or a spare bedroom into a studio or whatever else it is, but you have some roadblocks on the way, go get rid of those roadblocks, because honestly, afterwards you feel inspired, you feel relieved, and you will also blame yourself because why didn't you do that sooner? But the most important thing is that you did it and now you can continue. Like, I'm going to finally turn this room into a studio. I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog, and if you have a similar story, go to the comments and please share it with us. And of course, while you're down there, go check out a 30-day free trial to Epidemic Sound. So check out the link in the description and I'll see ya in the next one. Bye!